Hello everyone, this is Geethapriya from RMDEC Engineering College. In this lecture, we will be discussing about dynamic host configuration protocol from mobile computing. So DHCP is nothing but it is a client server protocol that automatically provides an internet protocol, that is it provides an IP address for the clients. So this is basically going to work on the client server architecture. So by using the diagram, we'll be see what are the messages that will be covered under DHCP for getting an IP address from the server. So first, so these are your client and these are the servers. So client server architecture is a process which is going to happen in DHCP. The first thing will be your client will be discovering the server. So at the beginning, your client will be there. The client will be to get an IP address from the server. It will be discovering the server for it. So that is your DHCP discover message. Once it discovered, the server will give an offer message to the client. So after the offer message, the client will give a request message. So in this request message, the client will be asking the IP address that it needs. So each IP address will be having its unique configuration. So depending upon the configuration of the client will request for the IP address to the server. So there are two kind of acknowledgement is there from the server once it got the request message from the client. So the first one will be DHCP acknowledgement message. The other one will be DHCP negative acknowledgement message. So for suppose example, the client A is requesting for a IP address. So the IP address will be of particular configuration. If the server is okay with allocating the particular IP address with the required configuration, it will be giving a DHCP acknowledgement message and it will be providing the DHCP release. So in this DHCP release, it will be giving the IP address to the client. But in case of server is not having the requested configuration IP address, it will be giving you with the DHCP negative acknowledgement message and that particular request will be declined. So in this case, if once a DHCP server is declining the request of the client has to again restart the process. That is, it has to discover a new server and it has to request for the IP address. So if the configuration is available with the next new server, it will be allocating or else it will be declining. So by this process, DHCP will be allocating the IP address automatically to the client. So this is about DHCP and how IP addresses are allocated using the client server architecture. Thank you.